Hi everyone, I'm Nika from the virtualonlineassistant.com, and in this video I will show you how to schedule a status update in Facebook without using a third-party tool. Experts are saying that if you use the scheduling feature of Facebook, then your post will have better edge rank your page will have a better edge rank overall. EdgeRank is the algorithm that Facebook uses to display feeds uh, on users' walls. And if you have better EdgeRank, then more people are going to see your status updates. Um, in my experience using the scheduling feature of Facebook, it really improved engagement on the page because a lot of people are liking the post and then commenting on it. So if you haven't tried this scheduling feature, then I suggest you try it out. So now I'm going to show you how it is done. Let's go to my page, which is the virtual assistant. You can find it at facebook.com/Filipino virtual assistant. It's right here. And I share insights, tools, tips on my page. And suppose that for this post, I want to share about LastPass.com. LastPass is a password manager that I use and swear by. It's been really helpful um, in my productivity. So I recommend it not only to fellow VAs but also to clients. So I want to share this on my page. Here, here's my favorite password manager, LastPass. Check it out here. And then um, instead of clicking post, I'm gonna click here on this clock which says schedule or backdate your post, but I really don't see a reason why you need to backdate unless it's a milestone. And if it's a milestone, you click here on offer event plus. But um, let's see here. I add a date 2012 and I add month, say November. I add a day, say on the 10th, and I add the hour, say 8 a.m. And then minutes, I can say 8:30 a.m. You can choose not to add a minute to your post. I just for demonstration, I added one here, but I usually schedule my post on 8 a.m. And instead of a link, you can also do a photo or video. That will also work, or an offer on an event and just schedule it out. So once you're done choosing a date and time for your post, just click on schedule and wait for the system to actually, you know, schedule it. And a window will appear saying that your post will be published on the date that you schedule it on. And then you can actually view the activity log to edit or cancel your status update. So I'm gonna click here. And for those who are familiar with Hootsuite, this is like the publisher section of your Hootsuite account. So here you will find the posts that you have scheduled ahead of time. And if you want to cancel something, just click on here and then say cancel post, or you can change the time, or you can choose even to publish the post now if you accidentally scheduled it. So I really hope that you give this scheduling feature a try and see how or what changes it brings to your impressions and engagement. That's it. Thank you.